Hey guys, happy Halloween! Today I'm going to be showing you this glam skull look I created. It's pretty easy, I hope you guys like it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below if you want to, and let's just get right into it. So to start off with, I already have my face and my eyes done. I'm first going in with the Wet n Wild face paint palette, going in with the pink shade, and I'm drawing a curved line underneath my eyes, kind of outlining where your bags would be, and then just dragging this line out towards your temple. Here I'm just going in and making that line a little bit thicker and then also pulling it down to kind of blend it out and create some dimension because we want it to be faded as it goes in. Then I'm making an upside down triangle shape on my nose. And it should just look like that. Now I'm just going to be replicating the shape I made on the other side of my face to the right side. And then just curving that line out towards my temple once again. And then it should look like this. Once you get to the end, I'm making another line down towards the jaw and just making it so it will kind of be like a mask all the way over the chin and then connecting it to the other side as well. Then we're just going in and blending so that it creates more dimension. So we want to do that to all the lines, and then I also start to just add more so that it can blend evenly down until the whole cheek area is somewhat pink, but then deepest pink at the edges. You can kind of understand what I'm saying just by watching me blend and just kind of slowly fade it out towards the middle. So then it looks more blended like that and creates more of a socket look. And then to emphasize these sockets, we're going in with the blue shade and we're starting to make a line where it would be kind of like underneath your cheekbone, but we're making it a little bit more higher up just so it looks really sunken in. And then here I'm making a different kind of shape. You want it to be kind of thicker towards the ear and then have like the line where the bones connect to each other. I took a lot of my inspiration for how I'm creating this look from Chrisspy's channel, and then I'm just filling that in. Skull makeup. I'll link that video down below because that's where I was looking at a picture and seeing how I wanted to create these lines to make it look like a skull. And then I'm just kind of blending it in, doing the same thing with the pink, and just making it so it's more faded in towards the middle. And then I'm just connecting, I did the same thing on the other side, and then I'm connecting the blues towards the mouth and just kind of blending it over the mouth where we're going to be putting the teeth, so it kind of has this blue fade over the mouth. Like that. And then I'm going in with this Milani eye pencil. I'll link which one, the full name, down below. And I'm going to start carving in where the teeth are going to be. It was a lot easier, I found, to outline first and then put the white over top because then you already know where the teeth are going to be. So I went right over my lips, and then that's why I put foundation over my lips as well, because the teeth are going to go over the lips, so then when your mouth is closed, then it looks like a skull. Then I just sped these clips up here so that you can see kind of how I got the shape, and I took the teeth all the way to as far as I could on each side, like the outer part where the sunken in cheek is. And then here I'm just making sure I have the same amount of teeth on each side so that it looks even. And then it looks like that. Now here's where I'm using some cream makeup that I got from the Halloween store, and it wasn't that opaque, so I had to go over the teeth twice, but then I'm just kind of filling in where I made those lines so that the teeth look white. And this was the most time consuming process, is just making sure to go over the teeth, but this is the part of the look that looks the coolest and really makes you look like a skull. So you just want to take your time with it and be patient. Here I'm showing you the difference between a second layer makes. See how much brighter it is right after, and that's how I got them to look opaque and teeth-like the most. So now I'm going back in with that blue eyeliner, and I'm carving just below where I made the pink lines on my nose and making it the same shape around, just kind of like the upside down triangle at the top. And then to fill in, I'm going in with the paint palette. After it's all filled in, I'm going in with the pink shade just with my finger and tapping in the middle so that there's a kind of just a little like highlighted part of the nose. And then with the eyeliner, I'm deepening the socket part so that looks more sunken in as well, because I want to make this look like there's more shadows, and that's going to create it to have more dimension. So I'm just kind of outlining each socket of the eye like that, and then to blend it out a little bit on the bottom to have like another little line, I'm using the paint palette for this and just lightly feathering it underneath like so. And then doing the same method of just kind of dragging the paint down a little bit so it's blended evenly. Now I'm going in with the blue eyeliner once again, and I just want to make sure that there's no lips peeking through in the middle. And then going in with the Master Chrome Maybelline highlight, I'm just tapping this where I put the little pink on the tip of my nose. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you all have a safe and happy Halloween. See you in my next video.